Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Aya here, and today I am excited to share with you my latest art supplies haul. I recently placed an order with a company called Mom Arte, based in Italy. I hope I got the name right. I found out about them from my lovely friend Stephanie. I will link both the shop and Stephanie's details in the description box below. First up, we have the Rembrandt Solid Watercolor Half Pan Special Effects and a 12 color set. I will be swatching these for you in just a moment. I also picked up a variety of Schmincke products, including some of half pan and full pan watercolors. Also, Schmincke watercolor powders in rich gold and silver. A 15 ml tube of beautiful red color, which is a limited edition. And a trio of a liquid charcoal paints by Schmincke. Plus, I couldn't resist the Schmincke Gouache Jumbo mixing set of 10, and I will be doing a painting with this set, but in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Let's start with Rembrandt watercolor. When I swatch paints, I like to stick the packaging onto my paper for easy reference, since it includes the paint name and the light fastness, even if I'm not, interested in the light fastness information. At first glance, the photos on the website show these paints with a beautiful, colorful, sparkly sheen. However, here in real life, the paints all are actually white with just a sparkly sheen. So, which was quite different from what I expected, based on the box photos. Anyway, they appear subtle on a white paper, but really, really pop up on a black paper. Okay, now let's dive into the Schmincke powders. So I got rich gold and pale gold and silver. These powders are designed to add metallic effects to your gouache or watercolor paintings. I also saw people using these powders with resin coasters, which was really beautiful. Just add a tiny bit of water and they mix beautifully. They are super pigmented and look fantastic on both white and black paper. Now let's swatch these half pans Schmincke watercolors. I also have this lovely tin that looks like a box of chocolates. I bought it from Amazon a long time ago. So this tin comes with the empty half pans and a plastic mixing area held together by magnets. And oh my stars, these colors are so smooth, so vibrant. I just love them. I ran out of palettes, so I have this limited edition Schmincke palette and decided to add some of my new colors I got. I'm not usually a fan of red, but this cool red and this red tube is stunning. I also tried it out. I also tried out their chalk paints, which have a really interesting texture, almost like gouache. I don't see myself buying these again. Yeah, just I really like just to try new things. Moving on to a different brand, I picked up a couple of colors from Daniel Smith. This color is Iridescent Antique Silver, and the other one is Footside Genuine. I hope I didn't butcher that name. I also got some Artist watercolor papers. The yellow one, it's for rough texture, the pink pad for hot pressed, and the green one for cold pressed. And finally, I saved the best for the last, the Holbein Yoko Hogichi limited edition set. Sorry if I butcher this name. If anyone watching from Japan, I'm sorry. This set is a collaboration between Holbein and the artist Yoko Hogichi. The illustration on the packaging are just gorgeous, even in the pamphlet. They're so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going now to swatch these beautiful colors. Again, as I said, I ran out of palettes, so I made a DIY tin for these paints using a plastic container and some red double-sided tape, to secure the half pans. Just look at these vibrant colors. The pigments are so strong, the paint wets easily, making them perfect for blending. I especially love the range of blues. So, I hope you enjoyed this haul as much as I did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.